Fighting. Hey guys, good morning. Well, it's 2 a.m. here in Baguio. We're gonna grab a taxi going to Slaughterhouse because that's where we're gonna ride to Bontac. Unfortunately, well, due to unfortunate circumstances, our two friends backed out due to emergency work. Yeah, so it's just me and Hennessy again. Hennessy, say hi. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so guys, mag-abang muna kami ng taxi. So we're in Bontac now. Bontac na to?
Yes, this is Bontac.
Sa tuktok pala lang tayo sasakay. May pa-break time pala dito. Oh, may pa-break time pala na ano. So may bus stop, ano to? Jeep stop.
May jeep stop.
Jeep stop. Nakita ko sa inyo yung store. So we're here at Boscalan. Kailangan mag-register muna daw. Options ko, zipline talaga na ipapakart mo yung sarili mo at saka yung bagahe mo. Eh ito lang naman ang bagahe ko, so maglalakad na lang kami ng Hennessy. So yun guys, nakita nyo naman kanina, very pila. So yung pila daw na yun, pila pa yun kahapon. So if balak mo magpatato with her, you better stay here like for a day or 2 days. Kasi pila. Yun, kaya hanggang bukas kami dito. Kasi yung number namin, baka bukas pa. Ito kasi nagpapatato. Ay, ayun. This is the school. I'll follow you. Yeah. Sa taas talaga. Nice. Nice. Dito kami sa rooftop. Rooftop view. Okay. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. So this is like 400 a night. Only... Ano na yun? Only rice.
And only coffee.
Only coffee. Yeah. We're tired from the biyahe, so power nap. Wow, power nap. We're gonna go to the falls. Ito yung pila namin for Apuwang. So mamamasyal muna kami. lunch and pupunta namin yung sinasabi ni Jacob, ang aming tour guide na restaurant. And then later on, meron daw live band somewhere here dito sa barangay nila. So pupunta rin tayo. So parang outdoor bar. Oh, there. Nakita siya dito sa aming Ayun. So dyan. Ito na. Dito na pala. Tiyan. Inuwi na lang namin yung food namin. Tapos lang kumain. Next is we're gonna wait for the live band. It's 7 p.m. so hindi pa raw ata nagsa-start. So antay lang namin. Sometimes I feel around. And never gonna let me down. Good morning, day 2. Ayun guys, we bought food na iluluto dito. Kasi hindi naman kasi nagmamadali. Like, wala kaming ibang other activities. So, we can cook our own food. So, for breakfast is, let's say, parang brunch na rin ito. Late namin nagising. Egg and pancit canton. Alright, so let's cook. It's breakfast. So it's Sunday. We're enjoying breakfast. Suddenly, meron kami narinig na kumakanta ng Christian song. Tabi lang pala namin ng church. Habang kami makiki-church kahit wala nang ligo-ligo. Ano ba? Listen po. Tapos ang church, so we're prepping kasi kami na ang next sa pila. Okay, Apple. So, see ya. So, punta na si Hennessy. Magpatato, you're ready. This is it. So, bibigyan ko lang siya kasi mamayang gabi daw yung autograph. So, that's Jacob. Siya ang aming tour guide. Bumili ng ganyan. Remember? Parang souvenir mo na din. So, namimili siya ng... Anong tawag yan? Tik-tik? Tinik. Ay, tinik. Tik-tik. Tinik.
Tinan ko lang.
Ato ni Met na ito eh. Bet ko na ito eh.
The snake one.
Wait. Yeah, that's 100 pesos. And then pipila na siya doon. Tara! Konti ng pila kasi Sunday. Dami rin nag-back out. 100 pesos for picture taking. Diretso pagbayad ka niya na nagpa-picture. How are you feeling? Interview.
I don't know.
I don't feel any nervous right now.
I'm
not nervousness right now. Fighting. Yak. Sakit. Wow. Ito ang kanilang plaza area. May ring pictures. Ito ang bahay ni Apo Wang-od. Ayan. And this is her house. Makikitambay muna tayo. Tambay! Last night here in Buscalan, so I'm gonna talk because these are the things that I'm pretty sure you're gonna ask in the vlog. Don't mind the music, and yeah. Thank you, Katinko, for sponsoring this travel vlog. Alright, so let's start from her fare. Right, so we guys are from Baguio. So from Baguio to Bontoc, per head is 400. So 400. And then from Bontoc, nag-jeep kami papunta checkpoint sa Kalinga na, di ba? Sa Kalinga na. The second checkpoint, dun kami binabano. Ang fare namin sa jeep is 150. Take note, kung gusto yung maagang makarating, habulin yung jeep kasi parang dalawa lang.
7 and 9.
7 and 9. So, hinabol namin yung 7 a.m. because we arrive in Bontoc like 6:45, something like that. Oh, tapos hinanap namin yung paradahan ng jeep. And I was shocked kasi nga, top load jeep siya. So, punong-puno ng tao dun sa taas ng jeep. And that was it's my first time to travel that long. Like, for 2 hours on top of the jeep with many people. So, medyo scary, but yeah, it's challenging. So, that's 150. So, 400 and then 150. And from there, sinundo kami ng kakontak naming tour guide in Barangay Buscalan. So, that's where Apo Wang-od living. Sinundo kami ng single motor. It's another 150 per head. Yes. So, ilan na yun? 700. 700 papunta pa lang. If you're from Baguio, of course. Yung homestay namin per night is 400. So, we had to stay here like 3 days. Now, when it comes to the tour guide, yung pay ng tour guide, guys, lahat sila pare-parehas ang rate nila. So, 1,500 for 5 packs. 300 each. Yun. Kung 2 days kayo, so, 1,500. Ganun siya. So, dapat per day din yung tour guide. So, when you go here, mas maganda, may mga kasama kayo. Para kasi dalawa lang kami. So, imagine, 1,500. Hati kami dun. So, that's tag 750 kami. It's 2 days kami. So, 3,000 hati. But, you can ask discount naman dun sa tour guide. Depende sa tour guide nyo, guys. I really admire Apo Wang-od. Hindi ako super duper fan. Actually, my cousin is really a fan of hers. Pumunta lang ako dito para autograph yung magazine niya. You know, imagine from 8 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. And she's like 100+ year old. I mean, namamanage pa rin niyang mag-smile. Kahit nagpapapicture yung mga tao. I mean, kapag natutunan siya, kita mo pagod na, you know, rare lang mag-smile. Pero kapag picture taking na, mag-smile pa rin siya. So, napaka-patient niya. And, diba, she has opened so many doors, so many opportunities dito sa barangay nila. Siya yung main attraction. So, imagine kung hindi siya alam mo yung nag-boom-boom talaga ng bonggang-bongga. There will be like no homestay, walang tour guide, or yeah, let's say livelihood for her fellow countrymen. Tribe-mates. Benefit. Yeah, they're benefiting from her achievement. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I hope you find it helpful and when you go here in Buscalan. So, mas maganda pa rin pag may sarili kayong sasakyan. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more travel vlogs and cafe huntings, hotel vlogs in the future. Annyeong. Good night. Or good night. Good night.
Good night.
Annyeong.